Welcome to Oasis, a place of rest and recuperation to regenerate body and mind. Here you can lay down your burdens for a short while. The Oasis of Light brings a moment of peace and calm. You will now be guided through an emerald alignment, followed by a meditation led by myself, Louise Oliver, with music from the harp played by Rebecca Penkett.
Sit or stand comfortably and take a moment to be aware of the thoughts and the feelings in the body, and aware of the crown of the head. Begin to breathe slowly down through the body, following the line of the spine, breathing down the spine, allowing any heaviness to fall away to the lower body as you breathe to the base of the spine. Aware of the hips and breathing down to the thighs, the knees, the lower legs, the ankles, the heels, and through the feet to the toes, out and away from the toes. And again from the crown of the head, breathing down to the top of the spine, across the shoulders and down the arms, elbows to the wrists and into the palms of the hands, out and away from the fingers and thumbs. And pause and be aware of the body feeling lighter and more relaxed. And again to the crown of the head. Visualize a point of light above the crown of the head and see the point as the colour emerald green. And breathing in and breathing down the body, drawing the emerald green to the crown and down through the body, through the spine, breathing down to the base of the spine and down to between the heels. And visualize the emerald line from the crown to the heels and into the earth. Feel the body straight and balanced each side of that line. And again to the crown of the head, drawing the emerald green down to the top of the spine and across the shoulders. See the beam of emerald green from shoulder to shoulder, holding the shoulders straight and balanced. And draw the emerald green down through the arms, elbows to the wrists and into the palms of the hands. Aware now of the body feeling lighter, calm and relaxed. At a distance of arm's length, draw a circle of blue right around the body and visualize that circle as a clear, strong blue outline, sealing and protecting all of the positive energy within as you breathe slowly back into the centre of the body to a calm, peaceful feeling.
And now see yourself on a summer's afternoon, sitting on a rock at the edge of a pool, looking across at a flowing waterfall. In the dappled shade of the trees, you feel calm and safe. A gentle breeze rustles the leaves, and the sound of the rushing water is soothing. You feel it washing away any worries or concerns. In this peaceful and secluded place, you let go of all tensions and difficulties, becoming more and more relaxed. You feel refreshed and invigorated by the splashing waters. Now and again a leaf floats down from above and dances in the ripples of the pool. You watch the play of sunlight and shadows on the surface of the water, and you become absorbed in the reflections and in the changing colours. The air feels alive, and you breathe the subtle colours into the body. Feel the pink light surrounding you, and be aware of the crown of the head. Breathe the pink light through the crown, allowing the pink to flow through the whole body, filling the cells of the body. And now breathe up through the pink, breathing up into golden yellow light. Allow the golden light to flow in, through and around you as you are bathed in the golden yellow light. And breathe up through the golden yellow, up into clear blue light. Breathe the blue light in through the crown of the head, and feel the calm and the strength of the blue light as it fills the body. Feel the tranquility of the blue filling the cells. And feeling lighter now, safe and protected, allow yourself to rest here in the blue and to be transported by the soothing music of the harp. And now it is time to return. Breathing once more to the blue. Breathe the blue light in through the crown of the head and feel the strength of the blue filling the body. And breathing down now into clear golden yellow, absorbing the clarity of the golden yellow light. And breathing to rose pink, breathing in the peace of the pink light. And be aware of the colour of emerald green, and see the emerald as a point of light above the crown of the head. Breathe the emerald light through the crown and down the body, through the spine. Feel the beam of emerald light anchoring to the earth between the heels of the feet. And breathe the emerald light once more to the crown of the head, to the top of the spine, and across the shoulders, and down the arms, to the elbows, to the wrists, and into the palms of the hands. And visualize a sphere of blue light around the body, at arm's length distance, a bubble of clear blue light, sealing and protecting all of the positive energy within. And breathing to the centre of the body now, to a calm, peaceful feeling, and ready to open your eyes. Thank you for listening, and please do join us again here at Oasis.